Pretty good, how are you?
Great.
Alright guys, so DJ and I are starting the day off a little different. We're actually heading up to Tommy FES shop because
we're doing my exhaust and we're gonna go check out a couple cool things that is disclosed information, but.
So DJ's, I think, buying something from him and we're gonna be using his lift to do DJ's exhaust. I know I was supposed to get a lift like probably 2 months ago and that's a whole nother thing I'll talk about later, but alright, let's get up to Tommy's and that thing's fresh. He must be going to Tommy's shop too. Want to run?
It's a chick.
The chick?
The chick.
Runner.
Hey.
Instantly get the middle finger every time.
From her.
Tommy. Hey Dom. How are you?
Not bad, how are you?
You! Is that what we do?
Front finger, bitch. Bitch.
Sweet, so we're gonna be taking this and heading home. First thing, Rudnick is doing vape tricks. All right, I want a clear O right on the lens.
Dang, dude, you're really asking a lot.
You can't do that.
It kind of hit it.
Kind of hit it. Let's go expose your new car.
Okay.
Oh my God, look at him. So Tommy's driving the car, literally bouncing off the rubber limiter. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it, Tommy. It's so loud. That sounds so bad. Well, this thing's perfect.
I'm going this way. Dude. Don't hit my 328.
Well, if you're gonna kick his ass, get in my face.
Dude, that smells so bad.
So bad.
That is absolutely hilarious. All right, guys, so we're using Rudnick's lift right now. I'm gonna put the Skyline in air and hopefully DJ's downpipe, turbo elbow, and cat isn't just completely seized on, so this isn't miserable. DJ got an aftermarket setup, of course, right here. This should basically replace what he has stock because half of the exhaust is actually like a really nice aftermarket exhaust. I'll show you guys in a second, but ever since I drive home, his cat actually collapsed. I think probably what, in like Virginia, and ever since then it's been breaking up and it's been pretty bad, so it's time to replace it.
Well, this is how Rudnick eats pizza.
This is old news, dude. This is a Rudnick taco.
What the?
Look. So now you can dip it. You get some crust, you get some cheese, you get some sauce, and then...
You're too much, my friends.
Hey.
It's gonna be such a fire video.
Fire.
I'm gonna go right now. Wait, is it off?
Look at this downpipe.
Insulation bar.
But look at the catback. The catback is actually really, really cool.
Oh, it's Ragu.
Ragu. It's like the cheese company.
No, it's not cheese, it's tomato sauce.
Oh. This is what's causing everyone's issues right here. So we gotta get rid of this thing first and hope we can get the rest of this stuff. It's coming off.
I was gonna say this is different, but
it's getting tight.
you should S14 on.
She gonna break. Nice. Alright, we gotta undo this hanger now. Oh boy. Oh.
Damn it.
Yank her out. Where's the dikes? Guys, so the difficult part is gonna be the turbo elbow. We're gonna work our magic.
It'll be well. What are you looking for?
Well, Rudnick and Tommy.
Jimmy's talking shit about my tools.
It's not the best selection.
What you mean? I got a lot of. I mean, this is the junk drawer. You're showing the bad
This
one.
is the only.
Oh, don't show that.
This is the only 13 Rudnick has.
Okay, that's not true.
Well, he has a swivel 13, but we need a you know, regular. It's okay. I'm very happy we're able to do this here. But.
Dude, how bad?
So we just heated up the nut, so hopefully.
Oh, nice.
There it is.
Gotta love heat.
So the 3 bottom bolts actually came out not too hard. There's 4. This tool is like the savior. So we got 2 more on top, and it's actually going pretty smoothly. So hopefully I don't jinx it and mess it up. Guys, so this is the new downpipe. I have no idea what brand it is. It looks half decent. I mean, realistically, the only difference right here is one's tubular, one's cast, whatever.
Why are you using lace grips on it?
Because it broke, and there's a little stud left, and it sucks. There's 2. Studs always break in the turbo, and it sucks, and you have a bad time. So, of course, 2 studs broke off, so we're gonna try and weld a bolt to it, and hopefully this will free the bolt. We'll see. So we're welding a bolt onto the broken, oh motherfucker, onto the broken stud. Well, so we tried to weld a bolt onto the stud to back it out, and of course the heat just weakened the stud and broke the stud. So 2 studs are now stuck in there. Luckily they're kind of evenly spaced apart from each other, so we're gonna kind of just send it to get home today. We'll see if it leaks. I don't know if it'll leak. It might leak, maybe just a little. But now I try to put the old bolts back in, and the housing is, the threads are pretty crusty, so I'm chasing it with a tap right here, courtesy of Tommy. If you're watching this, thank you, Tommy. And hopefully this does it, because I almost just stripped out another bolt in the housing. The top is now done. That's the hard part. Now down to the bottom. What are you doing?
It's the hard part.
Yeah, the top's the hard part.
I'll show you the hard part.
Let's see it. Come on, let's see it.
I can't wiggle my left eye.
Well, I got all the hard ones finally in after doing it for like a half hour, cutting my hands up, moving this literally like this much at a time. I go on the bottom and realize I can't slip the bolt on because the stud's too long, so I had to back everything off. And now the bolt that's in the hardest location is now seized halfway through. I can't tighten it or loosen it. And this has been probably one of the most miserable things I've done on a car in a long time, and I'm very upset. So I don't know what to do. So stay tuned. I don't know why this decided to randomly suck, because it was going so smoothly before. Well guys, 2.5 hours later, we're back where we started.
Right where we started.
And a deeper shit. So the bolt that I decided to put in the middle, even though I retapped the whole housing to clean up all the thread holes, it decided to still fuck up the threads on the bolt, and so it broke the bolt in there. So now we have 2 bolts holding on to the downpipe. There's 3. We have 3 bolts for the downpipe now. That sucks.
Hook your boy with a turbo. Need a turbo, cause yeah.
We have 3 bolts on them. Luckily they're like the 3 corner bolts, so maybe that helps, I don't know, but it really sucks. It's really unfortunate. So it's probably gonna leak, but if it doesn't leak, it'll probably just blow the gasket out prematurely, but I can live with that. So this was going actually very, very smoothly, but of course, like anything else in a car, take how long you think it's gonna take and times it by 4. That's usually how long it takes, but
Accurate.
hopefully this doesn't leak, or hopefully it just doesn't sound like a complete asshole. We're gonna make sure the downpipe doesn't leak, because this is exactly how things work. Oh, looks like she's gonna leak.
Yeah, I can't see shit. That
Darn
didn't
it.
really work.
All right, guys. So here's our new downpipe. I don't know what brand this is, but it looks pretty nice. Megan. Oh, there she is. Good old Megan. She's a good bitch. But it's a chunk of stainless steel, and that's all I can say about it. So hopefully she fits. We pulled the cat apart just because we needed this bracket to hang the exhaust. But Rudnick, you want to do the honors?
Oh shit, yeah. Trying to order tires. Barely.
Now, yes, there is supposed to be resistance in here, but not that bad. This with the real tools out here. Now, we're literally running 4 different exhaust pieces, 4 different brands, and it lines up pretty good. Not bad.
I approve.
That doesn't really.
Oh, thanks.
Don't put that. Kids are gonna be like, why?
Where's your glasses? When in Rome.
Ooh, is it done?
Almost.
You just love seeing me vape. I want to see you vape. No.
It's all tight, ready to go. We got 4 different exhausts. We got some random eBay thing. We got a Megan, we got an ISR, and we got a Ragu. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's fully 3-inch straight back from the turbo to a resignator to 3.5-inch back to a muffler to a 4-inch tip. Wow. RB20 DET. Let's hear it. Climb up there, Donald.
Climb up?
Climb up. Wow.
Are you ready?
Cold start.
Are you ready?
Been ready.
Oh, we ready.
Since '94.
You see that?
Hey, it's nice and quiet.
I like that.
Sounds nice.
I like quiet. Ooh.
That's perfect.
Look at the O. It made an O. Let's see how bad it's leaking at the downpipe. Give us some gas. What? Give us some gas.
What?
Oh, you're out of the car? Get out of here.
I don't really feel it.
I don't. It's not horrible if it is.
Yeah, no, I think it's good. That's surprising.
What do you think, Face Tap?
Looks good. Sounds good.
Nice. Sounds nice and quiet.
Gotta get rid of that resonator. I wonder if it's too.
Guys, this is a daily, so like a nice casual, like
This is a perfect.
it's perfect. It idles nice. You don't have to drive yourself insane. The highway, I'm assuming, is gonna sound half decent, but when you get on it,
I got it.
quick little baby 2-step. That sounds great. You're good. That was a little.
Oh, that wasn't 2-step?
It's okay. That sounds good. Well, guys, we had a pretty big hiccup with the exhaust on the 32. It's kind of embarrassing, but you know, I tried the best to prevent it, and I couldn't do it. But it doesn't leak at the turbo elbow for some reason, which is sick. I'll take that, but sounds good. Nice and quiet. Opens up when you rip on it, and that's what that's what you can hope for. I know a lot of you guys like loud exhausts. Not me, especially for a daily. But a huge shout out to Tommy and Rudnick for allowing us to use their shop today. Using the lift and everything is fantastic. It was a huge help. Now I know I said I ordered a lift a while ago, and I did. I ordered a lift. The company messed up my order. They held my money and they refunded it, and it took about 3 weeks to get my money back. It was a huge process, and I told myself I was going to reorder the lift and get that all set. And of course, life happened and some other bills and everything popped up. Didn't end up getting the lift, so it's definitely back on my list of things I need to get. I know I feel like I did because I promised I already got one, but things didn't work out, and we'll get there. We'll get there soon enough. But huge shout out to Chris and Tommy for letting us use their shop today. It was such a huge help, made my life so much easier. So of course, go check out their channels. You guys probably already follow them, but just go on their channels and tell them I said thank you for me. I really appreciate it. Link in description. But everything Tommy owns makes me freaking jealous. It is unreal. I just want to see this car done. Come on, Tommy. Finish this car. It's gonna be so pretty. All right, Rodnock, I think we're gonna end the video.
Ooh, you gonna end it?
Do you have any last words?
Just looking at my engine bay, dude.
I know. If you guys aren't following this build, you're sleeping on it. An SR20 in a Miata has been like probably one of my dream builds forever. I mean, I don't personally can't drive Miatas, I'm too big, but the idea of it, look how perfect this is.
Just ordered the 2871R. She's gonna rip.
She's gonna rip,
She's
dude.
gonna rip.
I know Steph is watching this, and I know she's jealous.
This is disgusting.
All right, guys, but that's about it. So we're gonna drive home now, and I don't know what else to say, but that's
Speaks for itself.
okay. There it is, guys. All right, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Donald,
Have a great fucking night.